Good evening, everybody. Dubs here from 643boxbreaks.com, and this is break number 198. 13-14 Crown Royale. And here are your list of winning bidders. Alright, just to go over a couple of things before we start. Here's our roulette board for today. We've got green on 0 and 00, orange on 3, green on 6, orange on 10, green on 15, green on 17, green on 19, green on 23, green on 30, orange on 31, and green on 33. So if at any time during the break we spin one of those numbers on our roulette wheel, we will give away one of the following cards. If we spin a green chip, we will be giving away this Brett Ballmer Rookie Treasures. And if we spin an orange chip, it'll be this Cody Hodgson Trilogy Signature Pucks. If we spin both colors, we'll give away the higher chip value of the two, which is the orange 50. On Versus today, we got the following two cards. In the red corner, we got a Max Sauvé Dominion Rookie Patch Auto. And if we spin a black chip, or in the black corner, I mean, we have Sean Hunwick Dominion Patch Rookie Auto. So those are our two cards that we're playing for. Like the roulette board bonus, as we spin the wheel, red and black spots are going to come up. As they do, the associated color is going to get chips added to their card, and at the end of the break, whichever card has the most chips on it will be the victor and will be given away. Our short straw bonus cards for today are as follows. We've got a primetime rookie of Matt Donovan, and we've also got a primetime rookie of Mark Stone. So those two cards will head out to two separate teams who failed to get hits during the irregular portion of the break. Other than that, here's our box of Crown, but before we get to that, we are going to spin our wheel to start things off and refund a team. And the refund is going to team number 5. And team number 5 on our board is going to be the Colorado Avalanche. That is a big one. Colorado is owned by Bummer Boy, so congratulations, Jack. Colorado will be refunded to you later. Alright, getting to Crown Royale here. Here's our serial number for the box. NE206354462. There are our packs. Empty box. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Got some Winnipeg Mojo in the back. Let's see if that holds up for Dan. Alright, we're going to start things off. Dustin Brown for the Kings. Followed by our first strike, which is going to be Nicholas Cronwall with the Detroit Red Wings. That is SMG, so that is our first strike of the break. That one is numbered 59 out of 99. Behind that, for the LA Kings and DJ and Ella's mom, we've got a heirs to the throne of Tyler Toffoli. And closing off that pack, Evgeny Malkin for the Penguins and Blake Wheeler for the Jets. So for our first strike bonus, going to SMG, I'll be including in your pack a pack of 13, 14 select. SMG. So there you go, that is our first strike winner. Pack number 2. We got Evander Kane up top for the Jets. Jets going pack to pack. Duncan Keith for the Blackhawks. And for the Toronto Maple Leafs, we've got ourselves a Majestic Marks of Nazem Kadri. That one is heading to SMG. Nice hit. I don't think I've seen a Majestic Marks yet. It's kind of nice. So that is going to the Leafs. And that is not numbered. Followed by Stahl for the Hurricanes and Kessler for the Canucks. And now it starts happening. Pack number 3. We got Kadri going pack to pack for the Leafs. Camilleri for the Flames. Then for the Tampa Bay Lightning, going to DJ and Ella's mom, we've got a rookie royalty of Andre Palat, and that one is numbered 444 out of 499. $444 going to the Lightning. Then we've got ourselves a Spacer and Giunta for the Canadians and Perry for the Ducks. And our last pack, and the Winnipeg Jets in this pack again. We got Tavares for the Islanders, Brodeur for the Devils. From the back, Andrew Ladd for the Jets, and McKellick for the Senators. And our last card is going to the Boston Bruins and Bummer Boy. It is a Ray Bourque Prime Silhouette Ruby number 2 out of 25. Nice black and yellow jersey. So there you go, Jack. That one is for the Bruins. And a nice way to end off the break. Alright, so next up we'll be giving away a slot into our Customer Appreciation Dominion box for the High Roller. Let me just check my list to see who our High Roller is going to be. The High Roller is the team that had the highest bid value that failed to get a hit. And that one will be going to Jack and the Edmonton Oilers. So Bummer Boy will be picking up slot number 11. So there you go. And to the short straw. So these are the teams that got hits during the break. It's really pulling for a Trouba silhouette to pop up there. Because I would want it. The remainder of the teams are going into this. And we'll shake them around. So just to recap, our short straw cards for this break, Mark Stone and Matt Donovan. We'll start off with Donovan, finish off with Stone. First chip, that'll be the New York Islanders and SMG. And second chip is going to be the Montreal Canadiens and Bumbleboy. So those are your short straw winners. Next up, we'll be giving away an additional customer appreciation box slot. So we will spin our wheel and see what team it is going to. And that'll be going to team number 27. So the extra box slot going to team number 27 and the St. Louis Blues. St. Louis in this break is Puck Dynasty. So Puck Dynasty will be taking slot number 12. So there you go. And finally, we will get to our final two bonuses. First up, we will do our roulette board. So we'll start off by spinning our wheel 3 more times. And we will add to that slot number 11. As well as spot number 0, which will ensure us at least 1 card. And spot number 6. So just to recap, we have 5, 27, 11, 0, and 6. So we'll go down the list and see what we got. So green, so we will for sure be giving away the Ballmer Rookie Treasures. Then we had 5 and 6, which is a additional green chip. We had 11, which was a narrow miss. And 27, which is blank. So we will be giving away Ballmer. And that will be going to team number 27. And team number 27 on our board, the St. Louis Blues and Puck Dynasty. So there you go, that one is heading. So there you go, that one is heading your way. Okay, Ballmer. That's going to St. Louis. And finally, looking at versus, with 3 chips to 2, our winner is going to be the Max Sauve Dominion Patch Rookie Auto. So we're going to spin our wheel and see who gets that. And that is going to team number 16. Team number 16 on our board is going to be the Pittsburgh Penguins and Bummer Boy. So Jack, you will also be taking home that one. And that is our break for tonight. So congratulations to everybody who got some hits. Hope you guys all enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you again next time.